Hanje Elementary School wins Excellence Award for 2024 School Forest Praise for experience and education programs in a forest cultivated over 10 years. Participation from 15 provinces nationwide. Organized by the Korea Forest Service, Hanje Elementary School received the Excellence Award in the Utilization and Post-Management category at the 2024 School Forest Best Practices Contest organized by the Korea Forest Service. The contest saw participation from 15 provinces nationwide, focusing on school forests established within the last 10 years. The selection process involved an initial document review and a second on-site evaluation based on 8 criteria, including forest utilization programs and the management of trees and facilities. In 2013, Hanje Elementary School created a space for students to relax and learn in nature by planting over 5,000 trees and flowers, such as zelkova, azaleas, and climbing roses, with a budget of 60 million won. They also installed convenience facilities like an ecological tunnel. The school gained attention for its diverse educational programs that support students' physical and emotional development, such as the Hanje Tree Talent Show and traditional play clubs. Additionally, the school received high praise for its diverse forest experience programs, including Finding the Heralds of Spring and Autumn Fruit Cannon, utilizing forest kindergarten instructors. Moon Miran, Director of Forest Recreation at Jeonnam Province, stated, "The school forest has become a beloved green haven not only for students but also for local residents, and expressed plans to expand school forests in the future." Meanwhile, Jeonnam Province plans to invest 800 million won to create new school forests at 13 locations by 2025. This content was produced with support the local newspaper development fund. 이 콘텐츠는 지역신문 발전기금을 지원받아 제작되었습니다.